Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play It Takes Two on one PC. First, ensure your computer meets the game's system requirements. This fantastic cooperative adventure is designed for 2 players, and you can easily enjoy it together on a single screen. The game automatically handles the split-screen view, making local co-op straightforward and fun for everyone involved. To get started, connect 2 game controllers to your computer. Most modern USB or Bluetooth controllers are compatible. Alternatively, one player can use a keyboard and mouse, while the other uses a single controller. Make sure your operating system recognizes both input devices before launching the game for a smooth setup experience. Once your controllers are connected, launch It Takes Two. From the main menu, simply select the play option. The game is designed to automatically detect the connected input devices. You won't need to delve into complex settings. It will prompt you to confirm the players and their chosen controls, getting you into the action quickly. After confirming your players, the screen will automatically split, allowing both of you to see your characters simultaneously. Now you're ready to embark on the incredible journey of It Takes Two. Collaborate on puzzles, overcome challenges, and enjoy the rich story together, all from the comfort of your single PC. Have a fantastic time playing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.